watching. I'm going to show you guys how to put in brick pavers in front of your home. Make it look awesome. We are putting in some stones here, some stonework. See these blocks? Just showing you guys all the tools needed to do it and what to do the correct way. A lot of people don't know how to do this. And when they put them in, the rain comes and starts shifting all your bricks. You got this tool here. You could pick up this is an angle grinder. This is a cement cutter. You can see it's cutting the cement, cuts it real easy. Use a square to get your angle that you need, like over here. I laid this down right here. Put the the square, and leveled it to directly, I got it upside down. Try to show you guys this quick. See how I captured that angle right there? And when I capture the angle, I marked it and I cut it. It's parallel with the gutter. So the first one will have a notch and it'll kiss that gutter beam right there. 2 inches of paver base stone, little tiny granule rocks, 2 inches. It's actually, the rule of thumb is 1 inch of this stuff for every 8 inches of height of paver stone. These are about $2.19 a piece from Menards. We also got leveling sand that goes on top when you need to get your stuff level. Make sure you have a level. If you don't have a big one, use a straight edge, put the level on top of it. We went in 3 inches deep for 2 inches of paver base, and then the sandstone's going over there.
The kids love doing this. I'll give them probably $100 each, and they learn a good lesson in life. How to work hard, and it pays.
All right, so we're gonna put that in. We're gonna put all the stonework and cut them. You guys will see the progress as it goes. You want really straight lines to make sure that your work is really straight. You can take a string like this. See this little post? Tie it around it and stretch the string across, and that way you can stay on those lines and you'll have a beautiful piece of work. Also use a level to make sure that it's level. Really easy to do if you have the right tools and the little instructions that you got. So keep watching as it goes. All right, so look over here. See my bubble? It's level. This is only a 4-foot level. You beat it in the ground. I got at least 2 to 3 inches of the paver base stone right there. And you see what's happening. It's coming out real nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of sand on top of this, but just to give you guys an idea of what's going on here. So check that out. See that? But I'm gonna have it more lifted. I could weed whip against that edge of brick and don't have to worry about breaking the plastic, the previous stuff, or wood or something like that. This is here to last. And as long as it's level, when it rains, if you do this method and don't skip it, it will be there and look nice for years to come. Right here, all level with the first paver stones. You can see it's all level. We had a bunch of straight edges and leveled. Now we're gonna put the sand in. Kids are getting it. Using a straight edge piece of wood right here to get a perfect line. Cut the first one with the tool I showed you. Hit it with a hammer, chipped it away, and chiseled it as the saw kept spinning. But you guys can see what's going on. I'll back up so you can see. Just laying the next brick. Make sure they're level on top also. So we'll place a level on top to make sure that they're all level.